Wonderful rain. Phase 3, slow two-step. You're in open facing, 2 measure ring. Apart point, butterfly in touch, basics, lunge basics, side basic, open basic to half open, forward run 2 twice to butterfly, basics, lunge basics, side basic, open basic to half open, forward run 2 twice to butterfly, open basics, twice to half open, side basic, reverse underarm turn with a basic ending, lunge basics to butterfly, basics, lunge basics, side basic, open basic to half open, forward and run 2, pick up and run 2 to low butterfly diagonal center, traveling cross chassés 4 times to face the wall, basics, underarm turn with a basic ending, basics, lunge basics, side basic, open basic to half open, forward and run 2, pick up and run 2 diagonal center, traveling cross chassés 4 times to face the wall. Basics. Underarm turn. Step side and apart.